Battles are picking up around battles, and particularly a legal battle now over who will punish war criminals, who will identify them, who will take them to court where. Could it be the United Nations Security Council? But of course, Russia has the power of veto there. Could it be the United Nations General Assembly? But that then has no mandate to take action or to rule any particular consequence. Could it be the International Criminal Court? And certainly we see some cases being brought to that court.
Предложение Министерства обороны и Генерального штаба о проведении в Российской Федерации.
None more dramatically than the case against Putin himself, even if nobody realistically expects any arrest and prosecution of Putin. But whatever the case, the ICC can at best take up individual cases following specific allegations. It cannot consider the very invasion of Ukraine as a war crime. It is being argued now that the very act of aggression is a war crime, but there is no law to cover that, no rule, no court anywhere. And were there any to be set up, Russia certainly would oppose it or certainly not take part in any such process. President Zelensky visited The Hague last week to press Ukraine's case for the setting up of a war tribunal.
The aggressor must fear the full power of justice, only him. Yet, this is our historical responsibility of the modern generation to make the total punishment for aggression inevitable, to prevent the aggression against our country and also new wars. There are potential aggressors in the world, and the world must see justice to see peace fully.
Яй-яй-яй-яй-яй.
This is not a war between two military forces. Tens of thousands of civilians have been killed in Ukraine, and the most grisly war crimes have been unearthed in areas occupied by Russian forces in Bucha and elsewhere. In the face of rising evidence of war crimes, the challenges before the international community are immense. If not the Security Council, the United Nations General Assembly is being explored as an arena to launch the case for prosecutions. These obstacles are obvious and they're huge, but despite these, some headway is being made now in identifying and searching out a legal solution, a legal pathway to bring justice and to prosecute war criminals.